As an employer, you know, I'd love all the staff at Coleg Cambria to be bilingual, or even more than that, and be able to use more languages. We know it's a strength, it's a real positive skill to be able to speak English and Welsh, or any languages. So for us, we're able to offer a much better service to our students, but also increasingly to employers in the area who need people to speak Welsh to respond to the needs of their clients. So by being able to have staff here who speak Welsh, it means that we can respond to local needs. But also more generally, for the students who come here, we actively encourage them to learn Welsh. Doesn't matter what course they're doing, because we just see the benefits, the real benefits of being multilingual or bilingual, and Welsh is a good starting point as any. Why not have God's own language? That's the best language to have alongside English. And we know it's a good thing for life to be able to speak languages. It's good in terms of your well-being, and it's good in terms of the way they can also fit into your communities in Wales.